Oy, 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 pakpakin nyo.
Tell me what is this sweet sensation? It's a miracle that's happening.
Alisa, dito, Alisa. Dito, dito. Dito, Alisa. Tutukan mo siya, ano, sa baba. Tutukan mo siya. Microphone.
Sana all.
The stars, yes, I was born for you.
No.
And the choice was never ours. It's as if the powers of the
Nanginig ang aking kamay.
universe to make you mine. Until the day I die, I believe the day that I was born
Hello.
for you. Too many foolish people trying to come between us. None of them seem into your eyes.
Ang videographer ay husay mo siya.
Belong here in your arms. I found the answer. Somehow nothing would seem so wrong here if they'd only
Hello po sa lahat na nandito po sa bahay na Lucky. Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat kasi unexpected po sa mga tumulong. Ang alam ko lang po kasi kami lang po. Thank you po kay Tita, kay Tito sa support nila. At Lucky. Thank you,
Sana all.
Ayan, dali. Ayan, ihitsin. Ayan.
Yee! Kanino ba nga? Sa'yo ba? Sa'yo ba?
Sana all.
Si Ate Tere. Hindi kita.
Sige na.
Naka-iPhone ko kasi dito.
iPhone to.
Sure.
Ay, picture ba? Video to eh. Sige. Abangan guys kami lahat. Ayun, ilabot mo yan. Maganda yan. Ayun, congratulations! Ano na sila? Mag-fiancé na sila.
Para sa sound trip na walang limit.
Ayun, engaged na si Berbet tsaka si Ande. Huwag na patagalin ang kasal.